everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet reviews today, and I got a new brush for my saltwater fish tank. I got a new brush to clean anything I need, really. Let's see what it looks like. So here's what's on the box. That's kind of what it says, the model number that they give you or whatever. That's all that's on the box. So it says Sparta color-coded brush. This is kind of what it looks like in the box. So obviously I got it in blue because I like the color blue. So here's kind of what it looks like. And so it's in a sealed bag, which is pretty cool. So you know it came from the factory. That's a good thing. I guess they do that because you're going to be using this for food. So this is made out of PVC, which is or some kind of plastic, which is going to be okay for me to use in the salt water. The bristles are actually really good. They look at that. Look how much, like, I have to put like a decent amount of force to bend them. So this is going to be a nice, good scrub brush. I could fit this in my filters, and this is going to be strictly what I do is I try to color code all my cleaning stuff for the fish tank in order for it to be you know, so no one uses it for bleach or any kind of chemicals or anything other than that, so because I don't want to kill everything in the fish tank, and neither would you, you know what I mean? So to keep it easy, I color coded you know, a lot of the stuff that we use for the fish tank, which is a good idea if you guys want to do the same thing for your cleaning stuff in the house if you have other people that use stuff to clean. So there it is right there, so you guys can get an idea of the size of it. There is the width of the head right there, so you guys can see what's up there and get an idea of what we're talking about. All right, so that's kind of it. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I mean, that's really just an unboxing review and what you guys can expect it to look like. I mean, it's going to scrub. It's a brush. The longevity of it, I mean, I don't know. You can ask me in the comments because I'll know by the time I put this up. I'll probably use this about 10 times. So everything will be good. You scared the crap out of me. So anyway, so it'll be good. So this will be good for that. All right. All right, so that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on the unboxing. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.